Let's just say thank God the borders are closed because this jet lag mask will not help you to save your life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I have decided to do a dedicated review of the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. The reason being, I feel like we need to talk a little bit about overhyped products. This I definitely think is one of those hyped up, Instagrammable, very trendy products. So I did give into the hype for the sole purpose of trying it out for myself. And if you want to hear my thoughts on this product, then keep on watching. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I saw this product, I genuinely thought it was to be used before, during, or after a flight because it is named the jet lag mask. But this was actually created by two beauty bloggers and they came together and created their own brand. They just did not find that the market had that proper or effective face mask, so they wanted to create their own, which I think is just a really cool concept. I just love the way these indie brands come out. If you read like a lot of their backstories, not just Summer Fridays, but whose car is that? As I was saying, these indie brands, I think it's so cool how they start up. If you read into their background as to what gave them inspiration for even creating their brands and products the way that they did, it's really quite exceptional. I did see this product trending on Instagram, I want to say maybe like 1 year ago, and it's still very much present on Instagram because it's apparently one of those timeless products now. And yeah, they're pretty, the photos are cute, like the texture shots. You see all of those photos with the tubes all squeezed up and definitely being used. But the main question for me as a true and honest blogger, is it that the product actually works? Because this does run a pretty penny. This full size retails for $48 US, and you only get 2.25 ounces of product in here. That is a lot of money for so little product, but if it works, of course I would be very much hyping it up as well. So your girl, being the curious cat that she is, I decided to buy this in my last Sephora haul during the sale. So I did write down all of my thoughts and the claims that this product has. So let's just jump into it. So this face mask claims to be a one-of-a-kind face cream mask that is great for all skin types and delivers rich hydration as well as gently exfoliates the skin in just one application. It also claims to soothe thirsty and stressed out skin by steeping it in a wide mix of vitamins, ceramides, antioxidants, and gently exfoliating extracts. Of course, reading all of that and hearing that, it sounds super wonderful for a face mask, right? However, the brand does promote this product specifically with the main ingredients that it entails. The first one being sweet chestnut extract. So I am gonna read here from my handy dandy notebook exactly what that ingredient does, and it says that it activates the natural exfoliation process, polishing away the dullness so that skin looks radiant, healthy, and well rested even when you are not. And I did find this ingredient to be at number 4 on their ingredient list, which is pretty amazing because it means that it does contain a high concentration of this ingredient. And if you don't know how ingredients lists work, is that the higher up on the list an ingredient is, the higher the concentration that it is present in the product. So that is really good that we're getting that high concentration in the product. The second product that is promoted a lot in this product, especially in terms of marketing, is the vitamin C. And vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It brightens skin tone and it behaves like a moisture magnet, so that it definitely boosts the hydration barrier of our skin. So vitamin C is a wonderful product. I actually use a lot of vitamin C in my skincare regimen, both day and night routines. So if you are over 30 and you're not using vitamin C, we need to talk, madam. I did find vitamin C like midway, so it's not too high but it's not too low on the ingredient list. So it's a fair amount of vitamin C that we get in the product, which is quite okay. And the last ingredient has to be my favorite ingredient, and this is not just in this product, I am talking about in skincare in general. I love niacinamide. I have been raving and ranting about niacinamide so much. Personally, I like to use niacinamide on its own, well, I mean as a serum, along with all of my other serums. And I love the one from The Ordinary. It's just like my perfect niacinamide mix. It has helped me so much, and let me tell you exactly what it is. Let me get my little notebook. It is a naturally occurring compound of vitamin B3. This super ingredient visibly reduces pores, uneven skin tone, and fine lines. Those three things I can definitely attest to with niacinamide. If you have oily skin, please incorporate niacinamide in your routine, because I promise you it will change your life. So overall, those ingredients are all well and good, seem fine. However, I do feel obligated to mention that this does contain peppermint oil. Now, it is at the very end of the ingredients list, so there's not a high amount of concentration of it. But if you have sensitive skin, I can see that being a little bit worrisome. And they did mention that the formula contains like less than 1% total formulation of the peppermint oil, so you really shouldn't have much to worry about. But I did look at some reviews on Sephora, and a lot of people with sensitive skin claim that it did burn them, it caused redness and itching. So like I always do with every product, even makeup, do a patch test, because you never know what could happen. You never know how your skin can react to certain things. Please do a patch test. That being said, the peppermint oil did not affect me at all whatsoever. In fact, this I think is the only face mask in my collection that I was able to take all the way up to my under eye area. And yes, it's in the direction, so I took the chance and I did it, and there was no irritation whatsoever. I will admit, when I first applied it, it said to leave it on for 10 minutes, and as soon as I applied it, I felt this tingling sensation and I immediately got scared, because anything that burns and tingles in skincare, for me personally, that's like lingers more than 30 seconds, I immediately wash it off. That's not a good sign at all. But this, the tingling went away, I want to say like 15 to 20 seconds. It did not linger at all. But the smell of it, it's not strong. You do smell a slight mintiness to this. This is of course because of the peppermint oil, but it is not overpowering at all. So they did say that this mask can be used both ways. You can either use it as a 10-minute mask, just like a pick-me-up burst of hydration, or you can use it as an overnight mask. So of course the girl did try them both ways, and these are my experiences. The first time I tried it, of course I did the 10-minute mask, and they did instruct that you use a damp warm washcloth to wipe away the mask. I did that, and I still feel like there was some residue on my face. So to ensure that my skin could breathe, I rinsed it off. And honestly, when I looked into the mirror, I did not see anything that's just like, wow, fantastic, like, oh my god, I'm glowy, I'm radiant. I just had soft skin, like it was smooth and soft, nothing that was different, or I should say fundamentally different, for me to be like, oh wow, this mask did things. So I was just like, okay, all right, you know, it didn't work as a 10-minute mask. Maybe I should have left it on longer, even though that's what the instruction says. So I did say, okay, fine, I'll try it as an overnight mask. So the next day I had a full beat on and everything, so your girl removed her makeup, and I used this as an overnight mask. And because this contains such rich ingredients, I decided to use this face mask on its own. I applied my eye cream. I didn't go in with any serum, essence, nothing, just this face mask, which is what I do when I go in with a face mask. I use that product alone because it has a high amount of concentration of all of these ingredients. So I wanted to make sure I get the benefits of this mask. So I use it as the overnight mask. Woke up the next morning, half of it is gone obviously because you know I'm sleeping on my pillow, duh. And I washed my face and it was just still no wow factor at all whatsoever. My skin looked normal the way it does every morning. And yeah, I don't understand the hype of this product, and it can't be that I'm using it wrong because you're literally just applying a cream to your face. It's just one of those products that did not work for me, and I personally find it to be way overhyped for what it is. Is it a bad face mask? No, personally I don't think it's terrible, but it's nice, you know, it's okay. Would I buy again? Nope. And the reason why I'm going in so hard on this particular product again is because of the overhypedness of products on Instagram. I find it very hard to take even reviews on YouTube, especially when they are sponsored. I take those reviews very, very lightly because again, these people are sponsored. Do I trust them? No, not 100%, which is why I would go out and I would buy minis and try them for myself. Now they do have a mini of this available now. I think it's 25 US for like 1 ounce of this product, which is still hella expensive. I don't know if it is that they expect people to use like a lot of the product to get the benefits of the cream, but to be quite honest, if I have to use that amount of product, I'm talking about like a thick white pasted face, hello! Yeah, that's a problem because this is not cheap at all. This is 48 US doll hairs, honey. I don't have money to keep buying this mask. I'm telling you plain and straight facts, this is too much for what it is. Honestly, if you want soft glowy skin in 10 minutes, use your Freeman beauty mask and they cost like what, 35 TT dollars. Honey, I get better and more instantaneous results with those face masks compared to this. This was just not it for me, honey. However, the packaging is cute. Of course you're gonna see it on my Instagram with my honest review. Bet your bottom dollar there. But I love the packaging. It's very sleek, minimal. I can definitely see where they were going with this packaging, and I did like that they included this tube key so that you can ensure you get all of the product out. And honey, trust me, I will be using this because I need to get every little dot out of this product because honey, that was steep. And that completes my video on this Summer Fridays jet lag mask review. I hope you guys don't think in any way, shape or form that this was like a hate video towards this product. It's not that this product is terrible. I just don't think it is worth the money for what it does. Like, I have more affordable things in my collection that we can get right here locally that does a great job of delivering the same claims that this has. And also I think it just definitely works better as a moisturizer for me, so I would definitely use this at night as a moisturizer to seal in all of my serums and all of that. So I will get use out of this. Will I keep using this as a mask? Absolutely not. It's a waste of money and product. So I do hope you guys enjoy this review. I know there are a lot of Instagrammable and trendy products out there that just, you know, really just there for money grabs. So just be careful. And if you are not subscribed already to my channel, please make sure that you do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.